Welcome back. Time for another quick bite with Hy-Vee Dietician Kaiti George.
4-ingredient recipe.
Oh, wow.
4. Wow,
That's
right?
too easy.
I know, it is too easy. So kind of coming back to school, man, I have been asked by a lot of parents, some students, like, I have classes for a long amount of time, I'm not able to have meals, what should I pack in my backpack? So I always say a trail mix works well. Oftentimes we think of trail mix, it might be candy-esque, it might have a little bit of extra candy in it. And from an expense standpoint, if you can build it yourself, you're gonna save so much more money, and it's probably gonna be just a little bit healthier. So I'm gonna talk about a famous trail mix that I use with many of my UNK athletes, and we're gonna talk about the base. And the base is right here. Oatmeal Squares. Have you heard of them?
Yes.
Yes. Do you have you tried them?
I have, but I don't buy it.
Okay, I love them. So what I love about these, they come in a couple different flavors. This is cinnamon, we also have brown sugar, but they are so sturdy and hearty. So if you want something that's gonna fill you up, you know, sometimes you eat cereal and it just might not be as substantial, but the oatmeal squares are very hearty and it just works really good as a base. The other thing is like if you're throwing it around in your backpack, it's not gonna like shred or that type of thing. So oatmeal squares, love them. So that is gonna be the base of our trail mix. So oftentimes people say they don't like trail mix because they don't like maybe raisins or peanuts or that type of thing. So we're trading up and we are going to use some pistachios. These are going to be our protein source in our trail mix. So carb source, protein source, pistachios, there's just so much new good research out about how good it is for your heart, your brain, many functions. So the honey roasted pistachios, we're gonna go ahead and dump the whole bag in. So honey roasted pistachios. From here, you can jazz it up as you want. So we are gonna use, to kind of make it have a little bit of sweetness to it, we are gonna use some yogurt covered cranberries. You can do yogurt covered raisins if you want, or any type of yogurt covered dried fruit. So we're gonna add that in as well. And to make in bulk works really well because this is all non-perishable things, which then you can just use for quite a while. And then our final thing is gonna be any other dried fruit. So in the past, I've sometimes used cherries. Sometimes we've used blueberries. We are just gonna use some dried cranberries in here to kind of go with the cranberry option. So we've got some fruit. We've got some protein, we've got a good carbohydrate source, and it's just a great flavor and a good blend that is gonna fill you up. It's gonna keep you so that you don't feel like you need to be snacking as much and works really good on the road.
That's what I was gonna say. I'm always looking for something healthy for road trips. And this is great.
Or even to just keep it in the car, honestly. So quick bite for sure.
Really quick.
Well, too easy quick.
Katie, thanks. We'll have the recipe on our website.